There's a heavy emphasis on listening and speaking in the first two levels. And from what I've understood in conversation with them, our students' proficiency has improved rather markedly in those areas. And in large part, I think that's because of LinguaFolio and the teaching and other activities that are associated with its use. I do know that students are enthusiastic about language learning, and that's always a good sign. You can't do much with students until they're engaged, and they're not likely to be engaged unless they are drawn in through both enthusiasm and also curiosity. Giving them the big picture of what they're going to learn and be able to do helps to support that initial engagement and helps to keep them engaged along the way.
It's alive. It's not just something that's on paper, and you can use part of it. You don't have to use all of it. You can adapt it to your own classroom and your own school. We think it has been very worthwhile. We're very pleased with the results that we've had from LinguaFolio this year. I think it's well worth the effort and energy you put into it. Our students are beginning to produce language in ways that we've never been able to do before. The writing, even in level 2, although we're not focusing on it in my class, has just jumped. The proficiency level has gone up so much that I think this is a wonderful way to go about teaching language and for students to learn it.
I think that LinguaFolio helps students change the way they think about learning by helping to empower them. Instead of the student going into the classroom and feeling that, okay, I'm going to sit here while the teacher does what the teacher does, and if I'm interested, I'll pay attention and I'll learn. It helps the students to realize that, one, they are going to be held accountable for their own learning, but not only are they held accountable for it, but they are given a tool which helps them to do that, as well as they are given strategies and examples through LinguaFolio-like activities that helps them understand how to be in charge of their own learning.